In this video, I will show you how to create a subdomain on Namecheap. So to do this, just go and open up Namecheap, go to the account section and then dashboard right there, and then go to your domain list. Now from within your domain list, go and click on the drop down here and click manage next to the domain that you want to create a subdomain for. And then from there, go to advanced DNS. And now I already have a few records right here for my normal domain, but now I want to create a subdomain, so I'll click add new record. Then you want to select an A record. Then for the host, just enter whatever subdomain you want to create, for example blog. Now you don't need to enter the entire domain, so not blog dot whatever you're doing, just blog. And then for the IP address, you need to use the IP address provided by your hosting provider. So I'm using this one for Go High Level, and Go High Level does the hosting for me. So therefore I need to use the same IP address that I'm using for my normal domain. So what I'll do is just copy this IP address and then paste it in right here, and then just click on Save Changes. So you just need to find the IP address from wherever you are doing your hosting. This can even be within Namecheap, since Namecheap also offers hosting, but now I have created this subdomain right here. So then in this case, when I connect this new domain, I also need to do this. So I need to have the record as CNAME and then host blog and then the required value right here. So you may also need to do this when trying to connect it to your actual hosting platform. So that's what I'll do now. I'll add a CNAME record and then I have it named blog and then the target and then click save. And this can take even up to 2 days to fully update. But for now, I'll just click verify records, and it may not work instantly, but after a few minutes or hours, it should update. So I've now connected it, and now I don't only have the normal one, I also have the blog subdomain right here that I have just created inside of Namecheap. So you need to use pretty much the same thing that you use for your normal hosting, but then just name it whatever the host as subdomain you want to be. So for me, blog.etc. So for the IP address, which is what many people struggle with, use the IP address provided by your hosting provider. So now you know how to create a subdomain on Namecheap. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.